Freek Wave by G. Morrison. A week get past and we couldna get out, but aye day we get, we a bit o' a doot. I said to Bob Young, "You comin' out for a sail?" But little did he ken what this would entail. So out we all went, we made good speed, north to the doctor's, just off Peterhead. But we hit the dodge when we got out there. The wind was southerly and the waves was gan spare. We shot aye fleet down with the flood tide, Jam chuck at the last dawn out our side. The three of us stood inside the wheelhouse, with a look of fear and as quiet as a mouse. For we looked ahead, and fit did we see a great muckle wave as big as a tree. I shut down the throttle and let her take over, so the wave would break up and be a bit lower. Our hearts to our mouths did go out with a leap. We'd never seen a wave so big and so steep. Recht eerie colours in that wave did we'd fin. It feared us meer when it block at the wind. Then it slowed down, just though it was tame, just like slow motion, 'twa fit for the stem. She curled and broke and fell down on a boat. Where windows burst in, we was barely afloat. "Heed for the breakwater," shouted Bob Young. Jim Burnett pure fight as he held his tongue. Slowly but surely we made our way in, like three drowned rats soaked through to the skin.